told about the divinity, someone show you our fallibilities. If you were told about the trinity, you would still know what in the world created all this. Wouldn't you like to figure out what's pulling the strings? Did you know about varying degrees of freedom compatible with senseless building blocks? Did you know that the emergent properties are all upgrade, making you tall? Now wouldn't you like to figure out what's making you loud? Eloquent to deal with infinities, never getting past the anthropic principles. Eloquent to deal with probabilities, chemical deciding intentions, all kinds of things. Wouldn't you like to figure out what's pulling the strings? Now we can still talk about moral responsibility. We can still talk about our common human goals. What leads to happiness? What leads to suffering? What leads to exuberance and flourishing of the soul? But it would help to figure out what's making us high.